This is my favorite way to make cast iron pan homemade pizza. The cheese around the crust turns crispy and delicious, and it only takes about 20 minutes. You're gonna start off by oiling up a cast iron pan with a bit of olive oil. Spread it all around. Then you're gonna drop your pizza dough right in there and spread it out just like this. Now, go on with your pizza sauce. If you guys want the full recipe from my homemade sauce, keep watching the video. Go on with some cheese. Right now I'm using mozzarella, white cheddar, and Parmesan. Now, add the toppings of your choice. I'm gonna go on, put a ton of pepperoni. Once you've done that, you can throw it in the oven at 400 for about 15 minutes or so. It should come out looking like this. Now, carefully release the pizza from the pan using a butter knife, slice it up, dig in, and enjoy. Now for the sauce. Start by pouring one 15-ounce can of tomato sauce into a medium bowl. Add in one 16-ounce can of tomato paste and mix the sauce together until they're very smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano along with 1.5 teaspoons of dried minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ground paprika. Combine these ingredients well. The sauce tastes just like the sauce in New York City pizzeria. Let us know how you did it. Send a pic or video to trymychow@gmail.com.